When your iPhone displays the charging not available message because liquid has been detected in the lightning port, it's crucial to address this issue carefully to avoid damage to your device. So first thing first, all you have to do is unplug the charger or accessory from the lightning port right away. Charging your iPhone when liquid is present can cause permanent damage. After that, avoid using any objects like cotton swabs, paper towels, or compressed air to dry the port. This can push the liquid deeper or cause further damage. Hold your iPhone with the lightning port facing down and gently tap or shake it to help remove any liquid inside the port. Then place your iPhone in a dry area with a good airflow. Ideally, let it sit upright with the lightning port facing down, and mainly don't use any heat like a hair dryer to dry the port as this can damage the components inside your iPhone. Then, Apple recommends waiting at least 30 minutes before trying to charge your iPhone again. If you still see the warning, wait longer, ideally several hours, to ensure the port is completely dry. If the warning continues to appear after an extended drying period, or if your iPhone does not charge even when the port seems dry, it is advisable to contact Apple support for further assistance. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.